Hi friends, this is Barleen explaining how to deploy DFS in Windows Server 2012. DFS is Distributed File System. It explains as an application that is of client and server, which allows clients to access the files that are stored on the server. For that, we need to first create two servers where the replication of files will be created, and kind of whenever a server fails, so the clients still can get files from any of the servers. For me, I've created two servers. That's DCO1, as you can see, and this is my second server, DCO2. Before jumping up to create DFS namespace and replications, first you need to install certain features in 2012. For that, go to Server Manager and Manage. In Add Roles and Features, just go by default, that is role based, and then select your main server and hit Next. Now here it's like File and Storage Services, expand it. Again, you can see File and ASCII Services. For that, again, the DFS namespace and replication. Namespace is used to create folders, and replication is used to create your replication groups on the servers from where the clients can access. For you have to install it. Just click Next and everything. After your installation is done, you just hit Tools, and that thing is added called DFS Management. Open it. Already certain namespaces have been created for this project, but we're going to create a new one. For that, right click namespace, and a new namespace wizard opens up. Here we should select the main server where the namespace should be located. For me, it's server. As you can see, server, OK, and OK. Then next. In next, any name to the namespace related to your company or project. For example, we want to make for employees, so we're going to write employees. Make sure you just edit some settings for right permissions and everything. Now here the drive C is given where the location of this namespace and folders will be there, but you can change it to like D drive or something else where you want it to stay. And for the permissions, just make sure like it's your preference. For me, it's like admins should have full access. Otherwise, use custom permissions is there where you can customize certain things. Say everyone, you can add certain users and groups into it. But okay, for we go with the admins, and okay, and then next. Here is summary, kind of like what kind of namespace it should be a domain base. The name is mentioned, intro.com, and employees, the name is there. Next, and after that create it, which is done. Okay. Now one thing has been done. The namespace of the name employees has been created, but what if like for this namespace the folders, the files that the client should access, we're gonna make that right click it. We'll add a new folder here itself. The name we can say like data, the data files that they should use. Here a target should be given where your folder has to be present or located. For that, it's like